You guys been waiting in here all this time? Wow.
G'day everybody, welcome back to a new episode of Craft by Tim. There's three things that I want to get... Three things I want to get through in this video. So, first things first, the video that I'm currently working on, I'm actually working on two. I'm hoping that I'll be able to finish editing one for next week, but this week I'm working on one that I haven't started editing, and I've run into a bit of a problem because I made a mistake. Yes, I did an oopsie. But I am going to try and get that one out for this weekend. It might end up being next Monday, I'm hoping not. So, you know, that whole New Year's resolution about getting one video out a week, yeah, that's already broken. And it's about to get worse with next week. So next week I'm also going away to Victoria for about 2 weeks. But I am working on one now, so hopefully I'll be able to finish editing that so it can be uploaded for 2 weeks that I'm away. Unfortunately, there'll only be one video coming out next week. That's point number 2. Point number 3, Perth Knife Show is happening on the 2nd and 3rd of February. It's a knife show in Perth. I'm joking, of course. Why would you want to hold anything in Perth? It's actually in Fremantle. So it's held at the Fremantle prison. It's $10 entry. It's gonna be pretty cool, I reckon. I've never been to a knife show, but I'm sort of expecting knives, a lot of knives, possibly some other bladed items, but mostly knives, I reckon. From the pictures that I've seen, like, sort of promoting it, it looks like there's going to be a lot of Damascus floating around, so that'll be kind of cool. I'm just going there to get some ideas. I don't have a stall, and I'm not going to be selling anything, or I don't have anything to sell. But yeah, I will be wandering around on the 3rd of February, so if you guys happen to be in the Fremantle area, and you're like, you know what, I've got a free day, it's a Sunday, I hope it's free. I hope you get to do something cool on that Sunday, regardless of whether or not you go to the knife show. If you happen to be in the area and you're like, you know what, I like knives, I'm gonna go see the Perth Knife Show, you might run into me. That's news number 3. Anyway, so I'll either catch you guys at the Perth Knife Show, or I'll see you in the next... Well, I'll obviously see you in the next episode, and hopefully the next episode will be before the Perth Knife Show. But in the meantime, I hope you guys are having a brilliant week. Remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.